Welcome to the video. In this video, me and my BFF are going to be creating a custom jean jacket of a capybara. So enjoy this one. There's also a video in the corner that takes you to the uncut, very long video for the full process of us talking and everything like that. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good jazz, and let's get started. Here we go.
Hello, welcome to our video.
Welcome to the video. My name is Agent Double Sonic.
My name is A.
And we are actually going to be painting this jacket. What do you want to paint on it?
So do not actually do it at home, but only if you're a little kid, you need permission.
Yes. Please do not paint your parents or your brothers or your sisters' jackets without permission. But we have permission, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. So, what do you want to paint on here?
You can choose.
A capybara. Yeah? Want to paint the capybara? Okay, cool. So we're gonna get our paints, then we're gonna start painting on here.
I will choose this one.
I'll bring them over here to you.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm going to choose.
We'll be right back once we get our paints and our brushes. Let's see. Do you want to bring the paints over here?
Yeah. So
Okay.
it was easier. Do not ask how many paint you have.
I have a little bit of paint. So what we're going to be mixing it is this GAC 900 by Golden Fluid. And what it is, it helps with your paints that you mix it with to be able to work well with the fabric. So when we're painting, we'll be using this. Now it says to mix 1 to 1, and then you can heat press it after you let it dry and everything like that. But yeah, okay. So we'll move this back over there. That way it's out of our way. Check though.
Be like,
Yeah, see?
be like
It's
this.
the cake. Yeah.
Sorry if y'all cannot see us.
Yeah, I think. Oh, yeah, because this is like the light. Alrighty. Got our stuff?
Yeah.
Alright. What's your elf on the shelf's name?
Snowflake.
Snowflake? Okay. Bye, Snowflake. We don't want you to get paint on you. Don't be too mischievous now. Recording? We're gonna have to mix the paint. So what do you want to paint first? You want to...
We can paint a little capybara or like something like right here.
Okay. Because this is gonna be the back of the jacket. So this is where your back is. This is like the sides.
Mm-hmm.
So do you want me to put this on to show you what it looks like?
I already know what.
You already know? Okay. So what are we doing first? You wanna...
We're gonna draw like maybe a little dog or a little dog on both sleeves.
Okay. So what color do you want that to be?
We could use. Let's make it look like Venus, your dog.
Okay. What color is Venus?
Gray.
Gray? Okay. So we'll grab some...
She's such a little puppy.
Yeah.
Wait, is he a pit bull?
Yeah, she's a pit bull.
Oh.
So we'll use this one
Mhm.
with a little bit of... just a little bit of black, maybe?
Yeah.
There we go. This one wasn't recording. It's okay.
Now we have to edit it again.
Yeah, I'll have to do a little edit.
And then use some black.
Yeah.
I'm looking on the
You want this black or you want that black?
this. Oh.
You want that one? Okay. So gonna take... I wonder if I should have brought maybe some matte medium. So first put it down to see if the paint would have taken it. It is okay. That's why we practice, so we learn.
Yeah. I am good at drawing capybaras,
Yeah.
but not other animals.
I have never drawn a capybara. This is my first time today with you.
Now we're at the inside of Venus's ear. We need a little bit.
Do I have to unplug this or is it still good?
Oh boy.
Oh, here you go.
Sorry, son.
Alright, it's okay. There you go. Get a little bit more.
Okay. Then needs to draw the other bit inside of her ears. Oh yeah, guys, if you're wondering how long it took us to set up, do not even ask.
Yeah, it took us a little bit.
Yeah. Or if in his other videos, if it look like the background look a little bit different because he's in a different house.
Yeah. I'm visiting for Christmas. I'm visiting my family.
Does that look good?
Looks really good.
Should I start drawing the capybara?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay, I'm just gonna make a little baby one.
Okay. And where do you want to put that one at?
Like, maybe like around here.
Okay. Let's see. We can always
I'm not trying to use up all these spaces.
No, go ahead. We can use the whole space. That's what it's here for. We can make like a big capybara. We can make a whole bunch of little ones.
Okay, I might need a bigger brush like this.
Yeah, go ahead. So, is it wet?
Oh boy. Oh.
There you go. Oh, do you need... There you go. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead.
So you know what that lizard skin that is from the last battle pass?
Mm-hmm.
That you always wear on Fortnite, right?
Yeah.
You know how it got this emoji, right? It got the 6-7 emoji.
Yeah.
I'll go write something right here.
Nice. So how do I draw a capybara?
So it like you push like so here. Let me get a piece of paper. Like
Oh, show me here. We can do small ones right here. I'll follow you over here, and I'll put one right
I
here.
am gonna need a super small one.
You need a super small one? Okay.
So it like you put it like first thing you want to do is like you want to like draw in little ear.
Let me see.
Like a little ear like this. Then you want to draw like this.
Okay. So ear like this.
Like this. So you want to do this. You want to draw another ear but like on your head.
Okay.
Then you want to draw this. See?
Okay.
Then you want to draw two
Need
little
more paint.
things. You see? Like you draw two little things.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you're doing perfect. Then you like draw a little eye.
Okay.
Then you like put a little rust.
A circle.
Yeah, a little circle under the eye.
Okay.
It kind of look like Pikachu.
Kind of does, huh?
Yeah, then you like draw like this.
Okay, so
Like, and I need a little bigger one that
Okay.
in this.
so you went like this, went down.
Yeah, like this, like a little like circle. See? Like this.
Okay. Like that.
Yeah. Then you wanna draw a little arm.
A little circle in front.
Yeah, a little arm.
Okay.
Then you wanna draw like a thing that leads to the arm, like a little line that leads to the arm, then the feet.
Okay.
Then if you want to, you can draw in heart in the capybara hand.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. That's good.
Thank you. That's really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am kind of messing up on this capybara and I'll go live.
How are you messing up on it?
Well, I am used to drawing capybaras on paper, but not like on anything else.
Oh, that's fine. That's why we learn. There you go. What color is the capybara's nose? Is it like a dark brown?
Is pink.
Okay.
Not really pink. I think it's like light brown like this.
Okay.
Yeah, if y'all live in Texas, Oklahoma, hit that like and subscribe button.
Yeah. Or wherever you're living at.
Like Brazil. Okay, if y'all have watched. Yeah, I forgot about the little baby capybara. Yeah.
Can't forget the capybara.
Is this good enough?
Yeah, I'll touch this part up here if you want to start painting yours.
Yeah. Now being the baby capybara, they need to let this chill for a little bit.
Okay.
Because they need the tiny.
So they've been learning curve for me because I've never painted a jacket.
And a capybara.
Yeah, that too. Yeah, especially that. So we're completely out of our. Oh, sorry. Here you go.
It's okay. I just need to do this. It's done.
Completely out of my comfort zone. That looks good to me.
You might need to use them.
Oh yeah, here.
Now you can put that back down.
Okay.
Now time to get working.
There you go.
You had it been
You're doing good.
Thank you. Had it
You're
been
welcome.
recorded?
Yep.
Time to
It's capybara.
what?
Here's Venus. Here's capybara and the infamous 6'7". It's Venus. There's capybara baby. And there's camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, and then our light source. We're gonna put you back over here. Alright.
No, I could use some.
Oh. Some GAC 900.
Yeah.
There you go.
Did I just only squeak a little bit?
Yes.
Sean, you remember when on one of your YouTube videos you gave away one of your paintings to a subscriber?
Yes.
Was it a folder?
No, I think that was just a subscriber.
Or a random
check.
person?
Yeah.
Wait, in case if like they ask, in case like you should give something for like a random subscribe to a random person, then they're not subscribed to you, then you do not give it to them.
No? Don't give it to a random person that's not subscribed to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So you hear that? You gotta be subscribed. You might be able to get some stuff.
You should make a merch.
I am working on that.
Like a little astronaut merch?
Like some what?
Like a little astronaut merch?
Yes. Like my traveling sketchbook.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're working on stuff in the background. There's a lot of things that go into making your own merch.
Yeah.
I would like to make some prints someday where people can have it in like a postcard, or they want to have it for like on their walls.
Or maybe this kind of suit.
Yeah.
Suit that you wear.
Yeah, maybe a shirt someday. That'd be pretty cool. Think I should draw like an astronaut for a shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe a capybara.
It should be
Space capybara.
Yeah, it should be an astronaut holding a space capybara.
Okay.
Sean?
Yeah.
Where's one place I really want to go but you never went there when you were a child?
I would like to go to Disneyland in California. I never got to go there. I worked at the one in Florida.
How about LA?
That would be in Anaheim. It's in Anaheim, California.
I really want
Where do you want to go?
I really want to like go to Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Yeah.
What do you want to do in Hawaii?
Go swimming.
Go swimming?
But no, we want to go to Hawaii. I want to go to Six Flags.
Yeah?
Yeah, in Brazil. Maybe like honestly.
Okay.
So yeah.
You want to take a break for now and then let Mimi braid my hair and then we'll come back?
Yeah.
Okay, that way we can let the cameras charge. We will be back in a little bit. Oh, well, for you all, it'll be a little bit, but for us,
Yeah.
probably gonna be a couple hours. That way we'll let this dry,
it will be.
and then we'll let the cameras charge. So let's go ahead and pause. You're gonna work on the sky up here?
Yeah, I'm trying to look on the sky.
Okay.
You might need some neon and the light blue.
Okay.
I forgot to close that when I used it.
Oh, that's fine. There's that, and
This thing. Yeah.
that one. Oh, we're getting low.
Christmas is tomorrow. Wait, Okasan.
Yeah.
Is Santa real?
Yeah, Santa's real.
One of my friends said he not real.
Maybe their family do not celebrate Christmas.
True. Very true.
Wait, what kind of culture do not celebrate Christmas?
There's a few.
What?
You're happier next
Wait, is that Venus?
Yeah. I'm just throwing a lot of paint. Layers.
Me and Thea are right next. We're like her window's right here. I'm next to the neighbor house.
Yeah.
I want to sit. That's right. I want to sit rooms.
Back? No, you can't.
I'll
Yeah. If you want, we could get a little bit of orange.
It could be a capybara watching the sunset.
Yeah. So you want to put some yellow and red over here? And some
I
orange?
never see a $2 bill, Sean. Hi guys,
There you go.
it's Mermaid Girl. Have fun with your family for Christmas Eve, guys. And be nice, be on the good list, guys, and be nice to Santa Claus. You talk too much too. Sean said I talk too much. Pizza up your house sauce. Bye bye.
Alright, I'm going to grab my light and do this behind the scenes real quick. There it goes. Yes. Hello, hi. It is definitely the 23rd December. I just did this video right here where we did a capybara jacket. So it was really cool. I like it. Obviously, I'm not in my regular setup. I'm in my niece's room, actually. It was fun. It was really cool. It was different. I learned a lot. That the paint in this jacket sucks up paint. So I wonder if I have to put down like matte medium before I do it and then go from there, which makes sense because that would give the paint something to go on. Because other than that, it was just sucking up paint left and right. But I'll show you real quick. Capybara, the infamous S. There's a heart that M did. There's the pups. There's a rose. Of course, they wanted to put 6-7, so there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and I will talk.
I agree. Okay, listen up. That was a very different. Down. Show them the respect they deserve, or it weakens us. You might want to. You look happy?
I don't remember him.
That's bullshit. You got a problem, guys. Here's a new explain. Mm-hmm. You're right. Clearly that's me. We got a white Hobbs. This is Han.
All right, lock it up. We got two things. First off, the worst damn city in the world to commit a crime. They got cameras on every street corner. Got video footage from CCTV of the raid. Let's track that, see where it leads us. And secondly, we just got confirmation on what Shaw's crew grabbed a minute ago. They ripped off a database of every location that houses
Capybara, the infamous S. There's a heart that M did. There's the pups. There's a rose. Of course, they wanted to put 6-7, so there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and I will talk to y'all later.